Binance is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, providing users with a range of trading tools and features to buy, sell, and trade digital assets. But did you know that Binance can also be a platform to make money? In this video, we will explore some of the best ways to make money on Binance, from trading cryptocurrencies and staking tokens to using the Binance Launchpad. We'll also look at other options like mining and affiliate programs. 1. Trading. Trading cryptocurrencies on Binance is acquiring and disposing of digital assets to profit from price changes. Depending on your trading technique, the objective is usually to purchase low and sell high. It's important to keep up with current events and market trends to succeed at trading on Binance. This can involve looking into certain cryptocurrencies, examining price charts, and monitoring world events that might impact the entire crypto market. Moving averages, oscillators, and chart patterns are some examples of technical analysis tools traders on Binance might use to find potential entry and exit points. Additionally, Binance offers expert trading options like futures trading and margin trading, which can increase profit opportunities but also increase risk. It's crucial to remember that trading cryptocurrencies on Binance carries a significant risk, and there is a chance of losing money. Always conduct your research, have a reliable trading strategy, and only stake money you can afford to lose. 2. Investing. Investing in cryptocurrencies on Binance involves buying digital assets and holding them for an extended time with the expectation that their value will increase over time. Given that cryptocurrencies can be unstable and subject to unexpected price changes, this strategy necessitates patience, self-control, and a long-term outlook. A thorough understanding of the industry and the numerous digital assets accessible for investing is necessary to invest in cryptocurrencies on Binance. It's crucial to do an extensive study on the cryptocurrencies you're thinking about investing in, paying attention to their technical characteristics, potential applications, market trends, and any legislative changes that might affect their value. When you've found a promising cryptocurrency, you can invest in it on Binance by getting it and keeping it for a while. This tactic, known as hodling, or holding on for dear life, is predicated on the notion that the value of cryptocurrencies would rise over time as adoption and demand rise. Before investing, you should carefully examine your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and financial condition. Investing in cryptocurrencies on Binance can be a high-risk activity. Hence, it's crucial to diversify your holdings and only invest money you can afford to lose. 3. Mining. You can also earn money on Binance by mining. Mining cryptocurrencies involves using your computer's processing power to validate transactions on the blockchain network and earn rewards from the mined crypto. Binance offers mining pools for several popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You must set up specialized mining software on your computer and join a mining pool before you can begin mining on Binance. You will receive a portion of the mining profits by using the software to leverage the computing capacity of your computer to validate network transactions and solve challenging mathematical tasks. On Binance, mining can be a lucrative method to make money. Still, it involves a substantial investment in specialized hardware and electricity bills. 4. Staking. Staking on Binance entails maintaining a certain amount of a supported cryptocurrency in a designated wallet and participating in the network's consensus processes to aid in transaction validation and network security. Stakeholders can receive rewards in the form of extra coins by doing this. Depending on the cryptocurrency being staked, the staking process varies. Still, it typically entails locking up a specified number of currencies for a predetermined time. This proves to the network that the stakeholder is motivated to operate in the network's best interests and has a stake in its security. Staking on Binance can be a lucrative way to earn more cryptocurrencies. Still, it does require locking up your coins for a while and can expose them to dangers like market volatility and network security. Before staking, as with any investment, it's crucial to conduct your research and thoroughly weigh the risks and rewards. 5. Referral program. By inviting people to sign up on the site, users of Binance can get passive income. You will receive a share of their trading fees if they remain a Binance customer once they use your referral link or code to sign up. The referral bonus's value varies according to the referred user's trading activity. The percentage of their fees you'll receive will increase the more they trade. Also, there is no restriction on how many users you can refer, allowing you to accumulate referral bonuses over time. You need to generate a referral link or code and have a confirmed Binance account to participate in the referral program. Then, encourage your friends and followers to sign up for Binance and begin trading by sending them this link via social media, email, or other channels. Overall, by utilizing your network and persuading others to use the platform for their crypto trading, the referral program on Binance can be an effective way to earn passive income. 6. Margin trading. Margin trading on Binance allows users to enhance their trading positions and boost their earnings by borrowing money from the platform or other traders. Several well-known cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin can be traded on margin on Binance. You need to transfer money to your margin wallet and have a confirmed account to begin margin trading on Binance. Next, you can decide which cryptocurrency to trade and what leverage ratio you want to employ. Your leverage ratio determines how much money you can borrow to grow your position size. Since margin trading amplifies gains and losses, it can be a high-risk, high-reward strategy. Keeping an eye on your positions is crucial because Binance may liquidate them if they fall below a particular level and charge interest on borrowed money. 7. Binance Launchpad. Binance Launchpad is a platform that lets users invest in brand new blockchain projects before they are made available to the general public. Investors may benefit by purchasing tokens at a discount and then selling them later when their value has improved. Binance rigorously reviews these enterprises. With its advanced trading platform and wide selection of digital assets, Binance offers countless opportunities for anyone willing to put in the time and effort to build a profitable crypto portfolio. To succeed on Binance, it's important to stay informed about market trends and developments, as well as to be mindful of the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading and investing.